In order to understand quality, you have to understand that we process a soft winter wheat, which is used in such a wide variety of different products, from licorice to crackers and cookies to pies and ice cream cones. So each one of them has their own set of quality characteristics. In order for us to meet all of those different needs of our diverse customers, we have to start with a consistent sound grain. We're looking at a number of things, from the starch quality to the moisture content for storability to the safety aspects of the grain, which would include monitoring for things like mycotoxins. Everything we do, from harvesting to storing to transporting, it is eventually going to end up as an ingredient in the food that we eat. So not only do we have a responsibility as growers, as elevator operators, as flour millers, to ensure that we produce safe food, we're also consuming those foods that this grain is being used in as an ingredient. So we have a personal motivation to ensure the safety of that grain as it's making its way through the supply chain, from grower to elevator to flour miller and eventually to end processor.
To be a part of a project like this doesn't come very often to most people. So I was humbled to be a part of it and work in this plant. The control system, it's fully automated. It's one of the most automated systems in the country. It is built by design to have sanitation in mind. It is extremely efficient. We also make 1 million pounds of flour a day. The tie-in with our customer, we blow flour through an 8-inch pipe over there on a daily basis. There's no trucking, so the greenhouse gases are completely reduced from there. It's a direct feed. Everything is automated. So the relationship has strengthened, I think, with not only the major customer that we're tied to, but with all of our customers, because we're able to meet their needs. All of our grain comes in by truck, and the trucks pull up to our probe. The truck is probed, the wheat is pulled into the scale house. We have everything necessary in there. We do the grading, we test for vomitoxin. So the wheat is tested there, pulls through, goes around to the wheat pit. The wheat is dumped into our receiving pit and moves into one of 3 steel silos. We pull out of one of the silos and move it into our concrete bins for mixing and blending. The wheat goes through a pre-clean machine called the Taz. It takes out all the big pieces that are in there. It pre-cleans it before it comes into the mill. From the concrete bins, the wheat comes into the raw wheat bins. It goes through first and second cleaning. So there's scouring, there's aspiration. And then it goes through a tempering process where water is added to the wheat, and it sits and tempers for about 14 hours before we start grinding it. Once it goes through that process, it comes into the roll floor. It's a first break, and then the whole process is grinding and sifting. Each time it goes through one of the roller mills, it's sifted, and through particle size reduction, it goes to its next area until it is at the point of going into the flour storage bins at finished product. Take good care of your wheat. We need your wheat. The better the wheat is, the better our final product is. Our processors appreciate everything the growers are doing, and we want to make good, safe crackers, cookies, and pastries. I'm very proud of that.